Alright guys, so on today's video I'm going to be doing to you a little accessory drop that has two purposes. One, it's going to fit perfectly into our existing line with the existing products. It's also in preparation for our upcoming project that we have been working on for, I'll say, 3/4 of a decade almost. 3/4 of a decade. Now what I'm going to be showcasing to you is two completely re-engineered application systems, 1 and 2. I'm going to show you how, 1, they fit in our current lineup, and 2, how they're going to be in the very near distant future in something completely mind-boggling. Let's go. So we have been tinkering and tinkering to get something super perfect. Now you will of course remember this. An unbelievable piece of application technology. This is basically our wax hex red side of the applicator, so the softest open cell foam that you can ever get done, made in the UK. We then take our South Korean final wipe towel, right, hand stitch this. Is an absolute nightmare, by the way. Hand stitch this and you get this. So you could apply anywhere from a spray wax with this all the way up to kind of coatings. Now, in preparation for what we've got coming, and also to actually probably make your life a little bit easier, what we do have is our two latest innovations. And now you think applicators, how hard can it be? Well, if you're going to a certain wholesale website with 10% quality, then yeah, it's not very hard and you can get it probably by next week. However, when you're trying to make something from the ground up, both for durability, for user experience, for feel on the paint, the glass, wherever you use it, it's not as easy as it sounds. So because of this, in this video it's technically an official launch video for this. I'm going to be showing to you 1 and 2 applicators and the differences that they both carry and the advantages. So before going to the demo part, obviously, I'm just going to quickly explain to you. So we've got two completely different specs. You've seen the first applicator. Now this is I'd say it's about 60% smaller, so it's more than half the size difference. It is absolutely tiny. So that is in comparison to my hand, right? It's not very big, it's fully malleable. Look at that. It's completely gone and it comes back to shape without doing any sort of fluffing. Final wipe towel, just imagine this within an applicator form. And then you've got this, which again is like 3 of our paint towels sewn together back to back over each other. Super, I mean, this is thick. I don't know if you could tell that, but that's thick. In comparison to every applicator, I'm just saying, that is thick. So both of these, again, slightly different construction. You've got plush, you've got super samurai sword construction that will, again, do the same job, but on certain surfaces there might be better one versus the other. So I'm going to show you exactly what you can actually use these for. In fact, technically you could use them for whatever you want. If you've got Dress V2 diluted down, say 9:1, and you want to add a little bit of ping on your interior, so satin, you could spray directly onto this, right? Applied. If you want to apply interior protectants, technically you could coat your tires with this. I wouldn't recommend it because it's white and you have to kind of throw it away, so it's a bit of a waste. Glass plus, coatings, wax, which you're about to see, paint sealants, and exactly the same with this. So let's get a little bit closer. I don't know which car should do first, and let's get some product on those panels. And obviously at the same time, right now live on the website, we have got the re-engineered Glass Plus. They are now as standard carrying our finger applicators. Now again, this applicator system for something like Glass Plus is going to be absolutely beautiful, very absorbent. So again, you're going to do something like this, Glass Plus. You can put it out, you can put it in, really doesn't matter. And just look at the speed that you could do this with. Now, also the construction of the actual microfiber in this specific instance actually helps, because one, it holds on to slightly more liquid, but it disperses that liquid in a whole different way than our V1 applicators ever did. So the finger applicator is beautiful, but if you ever want to do this, again, this both applies to coatings, glass sealants. So what you can do With this applicator, I would say this is our Plush Applicator Mini, if I was to code it, right? That speed, look at that. Now this holds it in a completely different way, the liquid. Oh man, I just can't get enough. I know this is sad. Please, somebody in the comments back me up. I can't be the only side guy that gets excited over how things apply and how things feel in your hand. But with this applicator, because it's a plush construction, so split weave microfiber behind some very absorbent foam. The way it spreads is different to something like our paint towel, which is this applicator, and the way it actually holds / disperses coatings, glass sealants, whatever it is that you're using, is also completely different. So again, if you've got Glass Plus, imagine you've already got 15 bottles of Glass Plus and you want to try maybe applicator A, applicator B, you can buy them a la carte. They come as part of the packages as and when they start dropping. Again, with Glass Plus, that's already there, but you're like, you know what? I want to try maybe the Plush Applicator Mini on my side windows, live already on the website, good to go. If anybody wondering how to super easily knock out your glass, 3-6 months on the windscreen, up to 18 months on the side and the back windows. Oh my God, this is just too good. Too easy, and if something ever fails, you just reapply it. And this is not even a Glass Plus video, but it never fails to amaze me. Let me put it that way. And that, guys, I think is the shortest video you'll probably ever see me doing, but I just wanted to also explain as to why you're making a dedicated video on applicators. One, it's took us many, many years to try and perfect this, many years for something so simple. That is because when we want to offer you whatever it may be, it could be a car sticker for argument's sake. We want to use the ultimate material as per the category of product that we're talking about. So in terms of this, it's one thing making a towel, but it's another thing thinking, right, well, how can we make something smaller? Smaller doesn't always mean easier. Sometimes, in most cases, the smaller you go, the harder it is to get, because you're talking new tools, new molds, not very easy. And then in terms of the durability testing, durability, as in the word, time that something lasts, you have to give it the time to test. So because of this, again, for us, it's a proud little project. The very next imminent video, you're going to see exactly how weird we are in the head, because we already got an existing product in the accessory line that we've just tweaked. We call it the 2.1 or the 2.2 version. Didn't need tweaking, but again, if we can get the nth degree right, we will release an updated, like a facelifted version. So you're very soon going to see what that is. But with this, I realized that how could we cross-platform a product that, for example, you might not want to use with a ceramic coating package. You might not want to use it with a Glass Plus, but what can you use it on something else? So as you've seen on here, paste wax example, if you've got any type of paste wax, liquid wax, spray wax, and you really want to control your output, right? There's a solution for you. If you want to mimic kind of a coating application on a thin liquid like a spray sealant, even our ceramic spray sealant, and you want to use this, up and down, left and right, cross hatch, however you want to do it, this can be done. But then if you start getting in towards more the heavier kind of protective products, the way these two applicators deliver the product, it's very nice. Yes, it's an applicator. No, it's not just an applicator. It's usually kind of the way I like to look at things. We just don't want to make another 900th applicator. This is the #1 applicator in a certain field. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Applicators on the website right now, a la carte. So if you want these independently for your wax jobs, whatever, you can do that. The Glass Plus, like I've already mentioned, the Glass Plus packages, as of obviously the airing of this video, they are now updated with the V2 applicators. You can also buy one of these. separately if you wish to do the ultimate Glass Plus test, which one works better for you. Everyone's different. And yeah, I will, off the back of this video, I will catch you very, very soon on the next video where, like I said, we've gone to the nth degree on an already existing product that did not need changing. And I will see you on that video, guys, very, very soon. And just remember, I love you all for the support. We've got some crazy, crazy things coming on YouTube. Just be patient with us. It's currently a war zone here. But we've got something very special coming over the next, say, 3, 6, 9 months. And I'll be taking you along for the ride. So get your popcorn ready, get your YouTube time up, because we're going to go on a crazy roller coaster. I'll see you guys soon.